Hello guys, welcome back to Orchids 365, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hopped on here real quick this afternoon for an orchid unboxing from Orchids by the Lake from our friend Yoshi, if you follow him on YouTube. Sorry for the noise. I'm gonna get these babies out of here and get them hydrated. Here's my little epi Porpax, cute little thing I'm planning on mounting. And the name Porpax reminds me of the Lorax. I treated myself to some orchids just in time for Earth Day next week. Been doing a lot of gardening, rearranging, repotting. Haven't had a chance to film everything, but I will show you a few of my blooms before I end this unboxing, because I don't know when I'm gonna have a chance to hop on here again, because I have a week until my show at OFI and I'm working on my pots and my stuff and want to be able to show you what I'm taking with me real soon. So cute. Look at her. Okay, I don't want to there you go. She's gonna look so cute. I have a couple of options to mount her on. I'm gonna put her over there on the table with my other little babies. The cute little thing. Such a cute little thing. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and toss this so you can see. I'm gonna put her up right there. Yeah, you can see her there. And then we have this my Howeara lava burst puanani. I've been wanting this one ever since I saw it at my favorite botanical garden the last time when they're doing the display of orchids, Flamingo Gardens. I've been going there since I'm like 4 years old, and they had this baby mounted on a palm tree and it was amazing. So as some of you may have seen on Instagram, I have a new little palm tree up front, and this one's gonna be one of my candidates. I just have to give the palm tree some time to establish itself, maybe a month. And oh my goodness, look how pretty she is. If I find a blooming stock picture of what inspired me to get her, I'm gonna throw it in there in the video so you can see the vision that I have of mounting her and having that beautiful display. She's a little one, but you'll be surprised. A couple of years, and I mean, you guys saw the dendrobium that I put my phylum the other day. So just with patience, right? All things are possible. Let me see. I'm gonna just keep tossing that. I'm gonna have to pick it all up. Okay. Ooh. Miltassia, Sheblob. Let's see. Let me take that. Oh, thank you. What a cute name. Oh, Okika? Miltassia, Sheblob, Okika. I have the Sheblob, but this one's different. It says Okika. I'm gonna look for a picture of that one. A little bonus plant there. Thank you. That's very kind. Oh, how cute. Most of these are gonna go on mounts or the pots that I'm working on. I tried one of them on one of my own. I rarely pot up orchids that are related, like in the oncidium, that are oncidiums. I'm sorry, it's been a long day. But one of my plastic pots that I designed, I use for my Shari baby, the chocolate one, and she's really doing good there. So I might do the same with her, just to keep her oh, look how pretty she is. What a cutie. I immediately put the tag in there. Are you serious? The mosquitoes are here and they are not playing. And it's breezy today, guys. Jeez, they don't give me a break. Cute little babies. Ooh, this is the one that caused me to to fill my cart. My Renanthera Monachica. I ordered an established seedling. Sorry, I didn't think to put bug spray. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. I don't have to worry about putting her. So she got the hook and the basket. I can just, oof, you made my life easier. Because I am on a repotting rampage, but this one's all potted up real cute. And she has the ID attached. Look at that. Yay, my Monachica. I love the name and I love the flowers on this one. And I love that she's compact. I mean, I know she's going to grow taller, but you know, she's not as big as the other Renantheras that I have. And I'm so happy. I love my orchids. You guys, like always, I am a repeating shopper at Orchids by the Lake. I follow Plants and Other Things on YouTube. And Yoshi and Elena are awesome peeps. This is their card. And I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with them, but if you're not, I'm going to put their information on my description along with the names. Yay, and she's sitting in lava rocks. Perfect. Look how cute. All right, y'all, there's my little haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this the phone from the tripod, and I want to show you a few of my blooms. So I wanted to show you guys my Motes Vandical Stylus. And she's so pretty. Very, very pretty shade of blue. Bluish, purplish. And her scent, her fragrance is amazing. And look at that. How many flowers. Still some coming in. And this one has not stopped blooming. I just love the color in this corner right here, y'all. Look how pretty. I was like, let me just show you because I don't know. It's always nice to see them as soon as they open. And my indigo blue still doing her thing. These are the first ones that opened. Still have those buttons plumping up. And I have more that just opened. And again, it's a perfumey, strange kind of scent. I mean, it's like, it's not awful, but it's not my favorite. But the flowers are so pretty. The shape and the color. And I have my the Cashleata, the green one, you know, the original one, the green one with the purple. And that one, I got her real small. She hasn't bloomed yet, but I'm pretty sure soon she will. I brought this one up so I can enjoy the flowers. And the Dendrobium Dream Ace is on her way out, kind of, sort of, but still looking amazing. And these flowers have been there. And it smells like delicious in here. They have those up there, opening up. Way up too high. I'm going to bring her down next time to see if I can show her. But down here, I have my my Bellina hybrid, a Yafon Dragon, I believe. I have to go check. There's another button there. She also smells amazing. I have her on that beautiful tackle mount from Just One More Orchid, doing her thing. You guys, I've mounted all of my Phalaenopsis. I can't, like, I love to see them grow like that. This one doesn't have an ID. I found one that I believe matches her. This is one of these, I said it the other day in a video. I can't remember for the life of me, but I have saved the IDs that were sent to me. And these are the fluffy cane dendrobiums. I mean, look at her. She's just really leggy. I would like to, like, put them together, but she's growing like all over the place. I don't know. See? All the way over there. These are the Dendrobium kikis from, like, the one I have on the palm. Here. There's one, and here there's the other. And they're blooming. I might take one of these to the Ophi show because I have way too many of these plants. So I'm debating to see if I take this one maybe. And my hippo's here and waiting for her repot. And gosh, I love her. I've had her for 7 years. She's lived in that pot her whole life. Yes, I know. She's crawling out of it. I don't even know how to start there, but whatever. I love her. I'll figure it out. And she's sitting here waiting for her repot. Those are sitting over there recovering from mealies. but they're all gone. So I usually set them aside until I'm 100% sure. These phals on these swings, oh my goodness, look at this. They haven't stopped blooming since spring started, and I love them. And I have spikes coming in to do a little bit of a trimming there. And look at this, my begonia angel wings. She's a small plant, but her blooms are, wow. She's so pretty. I love begonias. And I know I promised a Hoya video, but I probably will get to that after the Ophi show, because that's gonna take some time. This one, as soon as I threatened to evict her, started showing me some growths here, and another one there that's maybe giving me hope. This one that everybody has blooming now, well, no, mine is special. Mine usually blooms in May. Let's see if she's skipping a season or if she actually blooms. Let me see if I'm forgetting anybody. Those are spikes up here. This beautiful, beautiful Lilwyn Park is doing her thing. I love antelope dendrobiums. They're really hard to photograph. But I mean, look at that. She's so pretty. Still waiting on these buds to they're still plumping up. Look at that shade. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. And the red ones are on their way out. And these are the newer ones. Still waiting to see if this indeed is Miss Joaquin or not. Still waiting, still loading. I thought I was gonna have more mangoes, guys, but all the breeze has knocked over a lot of flowers. So hopefully I'll get to have some mangoes this season. So thank you for joining me, and I will hopefully in a few more days be able to hop on here real quick and tell you what's going on and what's up with the show, and have more information on the vendors. And with all that being said, stay safe. Thank you for joining me, and be kind. Happy growing. See you real soon, guys. Bye.